Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on prompts 33 and 34. And 33 is hole protectors and 34 is numbers. So we're going to see what I come up with. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. It amazes me what these ladies come up with, and it's so fun to watch. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here they are. Number 33 is hole protectors, and I just dotted them all around for like a background, and I added a pretty rose in the back to match the rose that's on my pocket. I don't know which digital this came from, but it fit perfectly on here and the tag here as well. And so I just added it, put a little bling on it. And so it's pretty when you pull your tag out, and it's pretty when you put your tag in. And for number 34 is numbers, so I just stenciled numbers in the background, and I just added a few number labels around, and I used a Tim Holtz person, and I love that butterfly, and I thought it went well with the background and the green of the guest check. I didn't really want anything to just stand out so much because she was my focal point, and I just went around it with some green thread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. So until next time, bye y'all.